Friends, on this video I'm going to show you how to solve battery problem on Vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, you have to search for this software update. Okay, so here is the software information. Just click on it. So you have to check not software information, you have to check for the software update. Okay, here is the software primer update. So whether there is update to be update or not. Okay, I mean whether there is you have to update or not, you have to check it. If there is have to be update, then you have to update. Okay, by updating also your battery problem will be solved. Okay, if it doesn't solve, then what you need to do is that you just move on Play Store, click on this profile, then you have to move on setting. After that, move on network and preferences. Here you can see auto update apps. Okay, so just turn off this one, don't auto update, done. Okay, this one also auto play audio, don't. Okay, you have to say no. Okay, so friends, after that what you need to do is that on the WhatsApp, you have to move on WhatsApp and just move on WhatsApp setting. Then you can see that auto downloaded photos, you just off that one. Okay, after that I'm going to show you the setting. You have to move on battery. So if you want to turn on the battery saver, you can turn on from here. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.